Ready? Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I was thinking about what am I going to put on YouTube. I have all this amazing material that I'm going to teach you guys how to make a scrunchie. First and foremost, let me say, I am Lady Lisay, the outspoken queen. I do poetry as well. Let me give you a little bit of what I do. I am mother, twice reborn, raised 7 of my own. At 8, my bloodline so strong. I am. Yeah. I am impressively beautiful, internally, externally. I am not conformed to what God wants me to be. Still the apple of my dad's eye, and that apple did not fall too far from the tree. I'm just so proud and honored to be me. I am wisdom, the total embodiment of intellect. I am what weak men fear. I am woman. But let me get off of that. Let me show you all how to make a scrunchie. Simple. You take a piece of material, just all piece of material, and what I need for you guys to do to turn it on the inside outside. And we're going to go nice and slow. Make sure it's even. Somebody that messed around and gave me a sewing machine. You have to lift up the sewing machine. Now, you can do this by hand. But if you got a sewing machine, why should you? You're going to snap that sucker down like that. Very simple. What you trying to do now, you're mending these edges. Make sure you keep it straight. Make sure you watch your material. I want you all to understand how simple it is to just make unique things. If you're a person that likes to do things by yourself or being different, here we go. Here we go. Now to that person that's out there, you never knew I knew how to sew, right? Because you did not give me the opportunity to know all the things there is to know about me. But here we go. Take it on down. You all be amazed with what you can do. Don't worry about it. Now see, you're going to have to back this thing up so you can lock it in. Get it all good and together. And what I need you to do now is take a little time to pull it out. And yes, you see I have a double stitch. We're going to cut this. And look, let me show you the little trick. You just made a scrunchie. You don't even know it. But let me show you. We're going to turn this thing inside out. Get something like a pin or a stick, because now, let me just try to do it. This is my simple way. I put it on my finger, and I just slide it down. And I'm making a scrunchie to match my head wrap that's on my head. And which I say we're doing this on a budget, ladies, because there are some ladies out there that wants to do this, but they just don't have the know-how as to how to do it. So I wanted to come on here, and I'm calling this wrapping your head on a budget, creating cute little things for yourself. And a lot of times people don't want to tell you how to do it or how easy it is to do it. But I don't have a problem with sharing you all what I learned and what I know. So this is going to be a nice little scrunchie. Just whatever you need to do to get to the other side, you do that. Your scrunchie is basically made. Now you can get your little elastic, simple elastic. And this is what we're going to do. After I've got this thing pulled out, I want to show you in steps. You got it pulled out. Now what you need to do is cut you a piece of elastic, regular old elastic. And I'm going to show you all how to make a skirt too. So will you all do me a favor? Go ahead and subscribe, like, hearts, love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Lady Lisay, Lisay, 2 words. Subscribe. Enjoy this journey with me, because we're going to learn all sorts of things. And you do know my Speak Out Sunday is also on YouTube. And it's Sunday evening. So now we have our scrunchie. The other part we're going to do, go ahead, stick your fingers on through there, because watch. Right now, you just trying to figure out what it is. Look how nice and neat that is. Now, you can do this by hand, but if you can get a hold to a sewing machine, why would you? And I'm going to let you know, this is going to be my first time trying to stitch this little thing through the sewing machine because it's going to be very small, but we're going to get through it and we're going to do it together because I just want to let you know how easy it is to make a scrunchie. And like I say, the next video I will show you how to wrap your head and use your scrunchie. But today, and look, I'm sliding. That's my elastic. All I'm doing now is sliding it through the material that I just bonded to, that I just sewn together. And what you're gonna do now, personally, I'll probably start doing this by hand. But let's see if I can get it to do what I want it to do here. We're gonna slide it through here in the sewing machine here. Clamp it down. And what I'm doing now, I'm simply locking it in. And we're gonna. Now what I just did, you take this and you open it up. Voila. Well, of course, you're going to cut the little frills off and whatnot. And the little edges there, just go ahead and go back on your little sewing machine a little bit. Lift it up. Clamp that down. Reverse that sucker, lock it in. And then you got your awesome, amazing scrunchie. Now, I have just showed you. Let's cut the little frills off the top of it. Beautiful, lovely. So, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to pop your scrunchie on your head wrap. But we'll get to that really soon. But meanwhile, I want to say, subscribe, like. I love you all so much. Praise and blessings. Remember who you are. Research and respect.